I know that everyone was hanging out for a house competition after all of the disruption last year, and you certainly didn't disappoint. So both those competitive and non-competitive events were loudly backed by each house, and it's fantastic that we're able to celebrate with our award winners this morning. So what I'll do is I'll start with the Open Events Awards before moving on to the overall champs and runners-up. I'd like to invite Mrs. Peterson forward to award the prizes this morning. And if everyone who comes across the stage and receives an award, if you can then head down to the Woodford House backdrop where Miss Morris is for a photo before heading back to your seats, please. So first of all, with the Open Events, the winner of the 100 metre freestyle was Sophia Clapperton. The winner of the 200 metre freestyle open event was Evie Skidmore. The 100 metre breaststroke champion for this open event was Rosa Ellingham. Just before Evie gets back to her seat, if Evie can please come forward again and receive her 100 metre backstroke award, and also Evie was the winner of the backstroke points cup as well. The winner of the Year 7 and 8 individual medley was Kaya Henare. And Evie, I'll let you just drop those trophies back at your seat before you come forward and receive the Junior Individual Medley Award. The winner of the Intermediate Individual Medley was Harriet Douglas. And finally, for our open events, the Senior Individual Medley champion was Harriet Park. I'll now move on to our runners-up for each year level. In Year 7 and 8, our runner-up was Florence Deere. In Year 9, our runner-up for the junior grade was Sophia Clapperton. Our Year 10 runner-up was Sophie Webber. Our Year 11 runner-up, Alex Clark. And in Years 12 and 13, Amelia Barrett. Well done to all of those runners-up, and there were some really tightly run year groups there, so it could have gone either way. But we'll now head on to our overall champions for 2021 in the year 7 and 8 year group, Kaya Henare. Our junior champion, Year 9, is Evie Skidmore. Our Year 10 champion is Harriet Douglas. Our Year 11 champions, we've got two that we couldn't split. If Molly Kinnear and Kyla Evans can please come forward. Our overall champion for our intermediate year group, so that's our Year 10 and 11 students, goes to Harriet Douglas. And finally, our senior champion, that's our year for years 12 and 13, that's Harriet Park. Now, before I move on to our overall house points, which I know you'll all be waiting for, I'd like to award the House Spirit Award for this year. This is chosen by Mrs. Peterson and the senior leadership team. This year they decided that the house, which embodied the spirit that we look for in all of our events, cheering on each other and participating, everyone in the pool, was Taudoa House. Well done, Caitlin. Now moving on to house points. So like I said before, it was fantastic that we've got underway with our house events. So starting with 4th place on 359 points, we have Rouncil. Well done. In 3rd place on 387 points, we have Frimley. In 2nd place on 388 points, so 1 point in it, we have Taudoa. And that means on 406 points, Wallingford were the winners for 2021. Well done, Jemima. So finally, just before I leave, just a big thank you has to go out to everyone involved in making it such a fantastic event. So that starts with the staff who made the event run so smoothly. That goes to Harriet, our sports prefect, and her sports council for all the behind the scenes planning that you did, being there early on the day, making sure it was all set up and looking good. And obviously it goes to Briar as well for all the logistics. She was shackled to the computer in the sports office for most of the day, making sure that all those results were pumped out in good time. So now, like mentioned before, we move on to athletic sports next week. So we'll be doing sign-ups tomorrow in your house meetings. So again, you'll need devices. and you'll be given all that information about how the sign-up process is going to work. Well done again to all of our winners, and congratulations on a fantastic event. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Nixon, and congratulations each and every award winner this morning.